One thing that we just realized is we're pretty sure that the shelter gave us Matthias sick. They adopted us a sick cat, which is hooked up. Matthias is doing well. Tubbs needs time, but that's just Tubbs. Tubbs was a feral cat we took in. I want to keep him. Still here, go. 7th, or the day before, I'm going to do a separate live stream to raise funds for the vet bills, which is going to will be transparent. And he's going to be the community rescue pet. He is all of your guys's. You guys have been coming off of PayPal and Cash App, so we are taking that. And, yeah, but this is our limit. Any other cats show up, you guys, we have to call the shelter with, so this is it. So
They brought their cat up.
This is Binks. This is my daughter's cat. She rescued from being fed as a baby kitten to a snake.
Yeah,
He doesn't like people a lot, but doesn't like people a lot, but her. And the reason why is because he came here from Minnesota and he was mostly outdoor. He's an indoor-outdoor cat, but he loved being in the woods with the kids, and so.
Yeah, another one.
This is Coco. And this is Courtney's baby girl. The only girl one. She's a baby girl. Because Courtney.
She's really cute.
Found her out on the streets and took her home. And this is her baby. It's Coco.
because the cats be running rampant around here now. So